Let's talk about something that can totally transform your hair routine, especially if you've been struggling with dryness and damage. Imagine a shampoo and conditioner set that not only revives your hair, but is also dermatologically tested, free from harsh chemicals, and environmentally friendly. That's exactly what Monday Haircare's Repair Shampoo and Conditioner promises. But does it live up to its claims? These two products are packed with ingredients that are known to be hair heroes: hydrolyzed keratin, argan oil, cocoa butter, and vitamin E. Each of these has a special role, but together they help repair, hydrate, and strengthen hair that's seen better days. The Repair Shampoo works to nourish and replenish, while the conditioner gives your strands a serious moisture boost. But how do they actually perform when put to the test? Let me share my experience. First, the scent. It's subtle and not overpowering, which I really appreciate. It's fresh and clean, but not like a fragrance bomb in your face. When applying the shampoo, I noticed how easily it lathered, which is a good sign of a well-formulated product, despite being free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates. It felt gentle but thorough, cleaning without stripping away moisture, which can be a challenge with some sulfate-free formulas. As for the conditioner, I have to say it left my hair feeling soft and smooth immediately. It wasn't too heavy, but it didn't leave it feeling limp either. There's a noticeable difference in the texture, especially after just one use. My hair was smoother and looked shinier, which is exactly what you want from a product like this. One of the things I really like about this duo is how well it worked across different types of hair. I've used it in both the morning and evening, and it has held up in various environments, whether I was out in the humidity or indoors with air conditioning. The moisture stayed locked in, and my hair didn't look dry or frizzy by the end of the day. Of course, it's not perfect. While I appreciate the hydration, if your hair is severely damaged, you might need to pair this with a deeper treatment or mask, depending on how much repair you're seeking. But for general damage from heat styling or environmental stress, this could be just the ticket. When it comes to the price, Monday Haircare's Repair Shampoo and Conditioner sit at a mid-range price point, and in my opinion, they're worth the investment. The quality of the ingredients, the sustainable packaging, and the fact that they're cruelty-free make this a solid choice, especially for those looking for a more ethical brand. The performance definitely justifies the price, and it compares well with other high-end shampoos that claim to offer similar benefits without the hefty price tag. Speaking of that, if you're on the lookout for alternatives, you might want to consider brands like Shea Moisture or Away, both of which offer similar nourishing ingredients, though Monday's price might be a bit more budget-friendly. Let's talk build quality and longevity. The bottles are sleek, practical, and made from 100% recyclable plastic, so you're making a choice that's good for the environment too. As for the product itself, it's likely to last you a while, especially if you're using it in a balanced routine with other treatments. When it comes to customer support, Monday Haircare has an excellent reputation. If you've ever had to reach out to them, you'll know they're responsive and helpful, always eager to assist. They also stand by their cruelty-free claim, and it's reassuring to know that their products are certified under Leaping Bunny and recognized by PETA. To wrap things up, Monday Haircare's Repair Shampoo and Conditioner are a great choice if you're looking to breathe life back into dry, damaged hair. The ingredients work well together to hydrate and restore, and while it might not be the ultimate fix for severely overprocessed hair, it's definitely a strong contender for everyday use. If you've used these products, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so we can keep bringing you honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.